Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to download and install Xampp on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to your favorite browser and search for Xampp. Go to the first link and click. Scroll down. So here you can see latest version of Xampp for Windows. Click there and here you can see your download will start automatically. So let's wait until it gets downloaded. Here I set the download location to desktop. Save. So here you can see our Xampp has been downloaded. Just click on that and double click to install. Click on yes. Just click on OK. Click on next. Next. Click on next. Next. Setup is now ready to begin installing. Click on next and it has started installing. So here you can see it has been installed. Click on finish and here you can see we can see this kind of interface, and if you can't see this then you can completely search from the Windows. Click on Xampp and you can just click on that and it will open it up. To start the Xampp you have to click on Apache and MySQL. To know your Xampp is running, simply go to the browser and search for localhost. And you can see this kind of interface. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.